Hey there, it's Ian of Austin. Listen, I've got a house to show you. It is in Round Rock, Texas, in the neighborhood of Forest Creek. If you don't know where that is, you probably want to know. Let's take a look inside. Before I go too far, I'm going to stop here. This is a 360 video, which means you can take your finger. If you're in the YouTube app, you can take your finger and move it around to look, so I'll stop periodically throughout. Also, if you're using a cell phone, you might be able to look around if it's an Apple or an Apple or an Android phone. Or if you have a VR headset, you can actually put it on and watch the video that way. So let's take a tour inside. First, I want to point out you've got a covered patio. That is sweet. I really like it. I think that there's something about being able to sit out on your front porch and kind of pay attention to what's going on in the neighborhood that brings peace to people. So right as we're going in, I want to say this is a solid door. All right into the front foyer here. First thing you notice, look how tall this ceiling is. It's really, really tall. So you've got a room right here. I don't know what you would do with this. Maybe if you have a piano room. I have a friend that was, let's say they were doing quite well. And they had a piano room, or a sitting room up in the front. It's kind of strange that this is so low. So immediately I would go straight to like a formal dining, but to me it's a little off that it's right here where the front porch is. I could be wrong, maybe I don't know. This is not a brand new home. It's built in the 2000s. All right, first thing I want to say about this is storage in Texas. If you haven't lived in Texas, storage is a commodity that people will fight for. So you have a Harry Potter closet here. This is great for luggage and other types of storage, but it's also supposed to be used as a coat closet. I noticed that rack was pretty low down there. So you've got your living space with it looked like a fireplace. It would have been a fireplace that they pulled the gas line out of, I think. So it's not even functional, but it's fine for decoration. Here's the thing, I don't like this. I don't like that there's molding around it. This may have been great 10 years ago, 20 years ago. But right now, if I wanted to put a TV up there, the TV I buy is not gonna fit. So I'd have to get rid of that. I think getting rid of that would kind of help change the space up a little bit. Gosh, so tall. Transom windows up there, windows on top of windows on top of windows. So you have tons of natural light. Look, it's dark outside and it's still, I mean I have lights on in here, but it's still really nice. And you can see quite well. Nest thermostat, help you with cost savings. You've got, this would be the actual like eating area. Now let's come in here. So we've got our countertop, granite countertop with is there room to put bar stools? I don't know about that. So the fridge would go there. This is an important note. If you're moving to Texas, 90% of the time, you will not get a refrigerator, a washer, or a dryer. All of the other appliances that are affixed come with, so that's important to note. So your stainless dishwasher, your double oven, your gas range, and your microwave that should vent out. Let's see. This does. Look. That vents out all come with the property. The other thing is, notice how I emphasize gas. We're like 50-50 whether or not you actually have a gas, natural gas or gas run to your home versus just electric. So we have a lot of homes that are just electric. That noise, somebody needs to change those batteries. Oh, take a step back. Oh, there's a bathroom. Take a step back, look at this. Refrigerator, pantry. It's a little distance right there. So this is our laundry room. Again, no washer and dryer. But the washer is gas. I'm sorry, dryer is gas. Water heater. So, all right, let's take a look. This is a 3-car garage. So you got your water heater, you have your water softener. It's important to note that the loop is the expensive part. You can get this for a couple $100 at Walmart. So, and each of the garage door openers is independent. Over here you have, is it Rainbird? Is it Hunter? I don't know. American Irrigation Repair. So you have, that's not the company, but your irrigation control. So this home has full irrigation front and back. So that's nice. You can just set it to a timer and it makes sure to water not just your lawn, but your foundation, because that needs to happen in Texas to prevent forest fires. No, I'm kidding. To keep your foundation malleable. So in the super hot Texas heat or the brutal winters, it's not that brutal, but in the expanding and contracting seasons, your foundation doesn't just crack and crumble. So we'll go outside in a little bit, but let's check out this primary bedroom. Bay windows over there. I don't know if I like these floors. What a weird design. All right, so French doors leading into your ensuite. Double vanity. You can slide something under there. You slide a stool under there. You have your water closet, I think is what they call them here in Texas, aka commode, aka where you do your business. There's a magazine rack there. I think that's really funny. I like that the jetted tub is tiled around it, and you have a little bit of an edge or a sill where you can put plants or, I don't know, bubble bath. I don't know what you put in there. Standing shower. You can't put anything here except for maybe a bar. So, and then here's your closet. So in Texas, you often have your primary bedroom and then a bathroom and then the closet. And I think it's because if you need to get dressed, you don't have to leave the comfort of your bathroom. It makes a lot of sense if your partner is still sleeping or something like that. Now here's what's weird. I love natural light in the closet, because I'm one of those people that'll put on one black sock, one blue sock, won't know the difference. The thing is, this is in the front of the house, right? Imagine if you're doing your dirty, imagine if you are getting dressed and you're in front of the window and you're like, somebody's walking their dog. So that's important. And what do you hang up there? They're messing with me. I don't know what you're hanging up there. I can't hang it up. Is that a medicine cabinet? All right, so let's check out upstairs. Yeah, let's see upstairs. We'll do that, and then we'll go out back real quick. That's a big old window. Imagine having to clean that up there. Notice that the railings, they took the time to do the iron. I think that's classy instead of just the wood, what are they, dowels? Or even plastic I've seen sometimes. First, there's a loft. We'll get back to the loft in a second. Let's see, what is this? Oh, another water heater. So there was one in the garage for downstairs, and there's one up here for upstairs for all the different bathrooms, which is nice. You know, these people flushing this toilet aren't gonna have any effect on you in your primary bedroom flushing or taking a shower.